we'll guide you through how to access Streamlabs login. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Streamlabs website on your desktop browser. Once you're there, look for the Login button, which you can usually find at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on it to proceed. You'll be taken to the login page where you have a few options. You can choose to log in with your existing Streamlabs account credentials if you have them. Just enter your email and password, then click on the Login button. If you prefer using social media accounts like YouTube, Twitch, or Facebook, Streamlabs allows you to log in that way too. Simply click on the respective platform's icon, such as Login with Twitch or Login with YouTube, and follow the prompts to authorize access. Make sure you have your social media account credentials ready, as you might need to confirm your identity. Once you've logged in successfully, you'll be redirected to your Streamlabs dashboard where you can start streaming or manage your settings. If you're having trouble accessing your account, double-check that your credentials are correct. You can also reset your password by clicking on the Forgot Password link, which will send a reset link to your registered email. Remember to check your spam or junk folder if you don't see the email right away. That's it. You're all set to enjoy all the features Streamlabs has to offer. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.